Today I'm sharing something that I have seen in other people's car camping videos, but that I'm going to be using for a different purpose. It's one of these cargo nets that go on the ceiling of your SUV or car. When I've seen people using them in their car camping videos, they've always got them stuffed full of clothing or jackets or odds and ends that hang down and take up the headroom, which is one of the things that I really enjoy about this SUV, because I can sit up on my bed and still have some headroom. I'm not having to be all hunched over. The Matrix had a lower ceiling in it, so I was usually hunched over, and I don't know if this would have worked in the Matrix. Probably would have for what I'm using it for. What I wanted this for was for my window covers. I usually put my window covers along the side in the back here, and that's fine, but I could use that space for other stuff. So I decided I would give one of these a whirl, and it actually works quite well. They have little clips that you can put around your grab handles in your car. You can see how I've installed the net up top there. It's between the front grab bars and the back grab bars. I've made it longer at the front and as short as I can at the back. And that makes it so the cargo net is further towards the back of the car rather than to the front. This cargo net has a zipper, which is open at the moment, that you can put stuff into. It's like a big bag, I guess. But I don't really want to use it as a big bag. I just want to put my window covers up there. The attachments at the front are longer than the ones at the back, and you can adjust these to whatever length you need them to be between your grab bars, but that's how it's supposed to be installed, is on the grab bars. If you don't have 4 grab bars, then it might be harder for you to install this. I think the Matrix only had 3 grab bars, if I'm remembering correctly. It goes up there very nicely. It seems to be quite strong, and I can put my window covers up there and they're out of the way. This works really well. I am so happy to have found a way to store my window covers where I can still access them from inside the car. I don't have to get outside of the car to get them out and put them in. I'll leave a link to this net down below in the description. You can purchase it on Amazon, and there's a whole bunch of other ones there as well if you don't like the one that I picked. But I'm pretty impressed with this one, and I would recommend it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more RVing and car camping tips, tricks, and trips. Bye!